In this quick video, I will show you how to replace the internal battery in your GMC Yukon key fob. As you saw in the thumbnail, there are a couple versions of this device. There is, I think, a 4 and a 5 button version. I happen to have the 6 button version, but it doesn't matter which one you have. They're all the same device and they all take the same battery. So you can just follow along with me here, regardless of which one you have. And we'll get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. The only things you'll need to get it done are a regular flathead screwdriver and a battery, which for this device is a CR2032 battery. Now, if you don't have one of these lying around, you can go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these particular batteries for just a few dollars. Now, the first step to opening this up is just to flip the device over and now look down here where the keyring attaches. Looking in there, you can see this indentation right here. It's kind of a slot right above the keyring in between the back and the keyring. Just take your flathead screwdriver, insert it in there, and give a little twist. Just twisted, and that this little tab on the right side has come off. I'm going to do the same for the other side. So I'll put it back in there and twist in the opposite direction. And there we go. Now we can just lift the back piece off. In here we have our battery, and you will need to use your flathead screwdriver here to pry this battery out. The best way to do this is with a smaller tool like this precision screwdriver that I have right here. With this, you're going to have an easier time and you're going to have less of a chance of damaging your device. So as you can see here, my battery is just comes right out. It's actually not like that out of the box. There is a piece of plastic right here that you will have on yours, small piece of plastic that has snapped off of mine just from doing this process for testing and for making videos so many times. But if you're careful, that should not be a concern for you, especially if you're using these tools. So if you're interested in picking something like this up, I will recommend this set of precision screwdrivers, the ones that I personally use, and I'll put that in the description as well, which you can get on Amazon for just a few dollars. So what you will be doing is finding a small gap in between the battery and the plastic wall next to it. And what you want to do is you're going to have this plastic tab here, this large one, and then there's the other one opposite that. You want to be kind of in the middle. So up on the top or the bottom, you're going to insert in that little space there, wiggle it down to the bottom and just pry. Pry the battery up and it will click out of there. And you can then dispose of your old battery. Make sure your new battery, again, is a CR2032. And when you're putting it in, you want the positive side that has the plus sign on it to be facing up. And you'll just slide it towards the bottom of the device under this larger piece of plastic before clicking it in on the other side. Now all we need to do is put it back together. So take your back section of plastic and first line it up on the top part of your device. Just get that in place. And then you can just push these tabs back on there. Just squeeze it all back together. And there you go, just like that. You are all set. You've got a new battery in there that should last you for years, and hopefully you saved some money by doing it yourself at home. If this video was helpful for you, feel free to let me know down in the comments section or by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials like this one for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.